Welcome back everyone. There have been so many more iPhone SE leaks coming out, and it's so funny because I just dropped another leaked video like 2 days ago, and now the man, the myth, the legend Ming-Chi Kuo himself has basically put out a statement of what the next iPhone SE could look like. Now there's some good news and there's some sad news as well. I think first of all, it really just depends how you look at it. What he said today apparently was that the next iPhone SE, aka the iPhone SE 3, should be coming out in 2022. So it will not be coming out this year. There were some people saying that they may release it this year. I also assume they may have released it this year because of the iPhone 11 and 10 are kind of going out of way. But here's the thing, and very important thing that Ming-Chi Kuo says. He says that it's probably the iPhone SE 3 is probably going to be the same exact body type as the current iPhone SE. Now, I don't think that's necessarily the problem, but I will tell you that if Apple ends up keeping it for that same price tag, aka that $399 price tag, that's going to be very hard to justify that type of body type because there's going to be so many better budget phones in that price range. Now, Ming-Chi Kuo does say that the iPhone SE will eventually, essentially, main differences be the better upgraded chipset inside of it. So it's probably going to have that A15 Bionic or whatever they're going to call it at that time, and it's also going to have a 5G modem, so it's going to be able to support 5G speeds. But I think that's great and all, but for that price tag at $399, we're probably going to expect more, and we're going to need more from a device. If it just has an upgraded chipset, I do not feel like Apple's going to sell too many of those things, to be at that price tag, to be completely honest, because a majority of people will probably end up still buying an iPhone 8 because it's the same type of body size. The main reason people even upgraded from an iPhone SE or an iPhone 8 to an iPhone SE 2 was because Apple stopped selling the iPhone 8 and 8 Plus. So you could only get an iPhone SE 2 at that price tag. So I think that in and of itself is cool. And I think if Apple goes ahead and changes up the body type even a little bit, I think they'll have a hit on their hands. It's going to have the fastest chipset at the time probably, and it's going to be able to support 5G. It sounds like a win to me, but like I said before, if Apple can go ahead and knock out of the park with either lowering the price tag or changing up the body some way, maybe putting a bigger battery inside of it somehow, they will definitely have a hit on their hands for sure. So that's a little bit of an update, I guess. I wasn't even going to make this video, but it's just so important for me to say it. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count. So it'd be so much if you guys could hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my other channels. More importantly than everything else, every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.